in the mail today, I got this, and if it's what I think it is, it should be phone. I think it's a Galaxy Note 3. So I'm going to open it. Okay. I'm a terrible opener. Well, all the buttons work and everything. Comes with a pen, I think, too. Oh, it's a fake pen. I don't know if it's a fake pen. Hold on. It is not a fake pen. That's pretty weird. But... oh, there you go. A Galaxy Note 3. I mean, pretty cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it though. Maybe drop test. But yeah. See that, Colin? Are you happy? It's a Note 3. Hold on. Stupid pen won't come out. There we go. What's the point of this, really? What the heck? I'm just gonna smash it anyway, because I don't want it unless you want it. $10. Or should I do that? I don't know. I may just smash it, because I really don't care.